it's Aquila Mariyah here, and today I'm going to be discussing my current struggles, and hopefully you can learn from them.
I like to sit back and watch a tree grow. I like the way they think it's all growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these.
If you're new to my channel, my name is Aquila Mariyah, and I'm a mindset coach. I empower people to believe in themselves by rediscovering their worth. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for the algorithm so that my video can reach more people. So lately, I have been struggling to do everything on my list of things to do. And yes, I've still been working on my business. Yes, I've been helping my clients. And yes, I've been uploading YouTube videos. But I feel like there's just more that I could be doing, and that is my struggle, and forcing myself to just do more. I've also been struggling with being consistent with working out and doing yoga. So what I did was started journaling about it, and journaling about it helped me really understand what exactly it was that I was feeling, what exactly it was that was going on in my head, because just thinking about it, I was confused on what it could possibly be. When I journaled it, what I figured out is that I was getting just bored with doing the same thing every day, and routine was becoming too routine for me. And routines are a good time and they are necessary, but at the same time, throwing in just a little bit of something different can definitely make all the difference. So what I decided to do was just be outside more, go on walks, go on hikes, and I've also, when it is sunny outside, been sitting in my backyard and just letting the sun beam on me for as long as I can handle it, and that has been making a difference. Now I am putting more effort into my business, and I'm doing yoga, I'm working out, and just being more active than I was, and I'm seeing a difference. So being in the sun, making the decision to go outside more and not just be cooped up in the house made all of the difference. Sorry for that. I think my sister just scared my nephew. But yeah, so it's made a difference in my life. So I definitely recommend getting some vitamin D. Just switching up your routine, even just a little bit, can make the difference. Like I said, routines are a good time, but sometimes it can be too much and it can get boring. So try to switch up where you can, what you can, and don't give up on yourself. Keep trying to force yourself to do anything it is that you don't want to do, but you know that you need to do it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time that I upload a new video. My new video upload times are Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 6:30 p.m. Eastern time. Stay tuned for the recommended videos after. Thank you so much for your support. I hope you have a positive, blissful day or night whenever you're watching this. If you're interested in group coaching, definitely check the link in the description below. That way you can get your free connection call with me, and I can see what you're going through, what you're trying to improve on, and see if what my program offers can actually help you. Also, I do have a 21-day mindset shift challenge coming up December 10th, 2020. So also check the link in the description box for that as well if you're interested in challenging yourself for 21 days. It's also a great way to get a little taste of my program. So check it out. The links are in the description below. Always remember to be love, be peace, be positive, spread love everywhere you go, and always, always be you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these motherfuckers.